When you talk about local government, we're talking about villages and towns and suburbs that you go into the village and look for code enforcement or look for the health department. The people that are out there, creating a situation where somebody either is a hoarder or they need a clean out, or their yard just is filled with debris. These are the people that they'll call me up and say they have somebody that they want to they want to use my service, and I would bill the village directly, and it would be up to them to put a lien on the property. So the money was up front. I didn't have to wait for it. It was good money, and certainly it was a great time to build that relationship. Is all throughout the year, but the first quarter is again an opportunity for you to stop into the village, talk to the local government officials that are there, see if you can get in touch with code enforcements. One of the other opportunities was going in and talking to banks that did foreclosures, developing that relationship with banks that would call us in when they received a property on their books. And frankly, banks don't want to keep properties on their books. They want to get rid of them quickly. And a lot of times, there was debris in these homes that as soon as they got rid of the debris, they could put it on the market and sell it. So that was one of the other things. Local fire departments that had training facilities used to call me up and ask me for burn furniture and furniture they could use for their training. Amazing how many truckloads of furniture went to the fire department. That was a good opportunity to save money on dumping. But getting to know the local government as far as being able to be a service that they can not only use internally for all their different locations, because even the village hall, even some of the police departments, fire departments, they collect junk, and a lot of times they don't know what to do with it. We also got involved with Touch a Truck, which was when the local government had something there where they did what was called Touch a Truck. They had all their different trucks out there, fire trucks, police cars, their road equipment. We used to be asked to go there to have a junk truck in there, and it was kind of cool to see. There's always opportunity to network with the local government, so absolutely.